Spring is here, and it's time for a fresh start. But instead of shopping for a new look, what if you could make one? Let's bring creativity to life with 3D printed personal accessories, home decor, and everything in between. New season, new style. Let's create one-of-a-kind fashion accessories that truly stand out. From statement earrings to custom sunglasses, 3D printing lets you design and wear something unique. Spring isn't just about fashion, it's also the perfect time for a home refresh. Whether it's minimalist vases, geometric candle holders, or personalized wall art, 3D printing makes it easy to give your space a whole new vibe. Spring is all about fresh starts. Why not create something new this season? With 3D printing, the possibilities are endless. What will you make first?